Where's he going? Has he got it?
Oh, he dropped it.
And Steven's going.
I'm gonna walk all the way past the wobble. So you better stop if you can't get up.
You gotta walk this way.
Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna take this at 18. No, I'm gonna get right here, ready? Okay, wait. Walk it over the...
Well, that's how you see.
Nope. Couldn't do it, guys. Sorry. I got it, but then I was like, death. Where is he?
There he is, right there. Oh, nope.
Oh, I tried to set it on this. Didn't. I can bring it up from right here.
When are you gonna go get it, Zach?
I already did. When you weren't here.
I didn't get it on camera.
Oh, okay. Guess I'll do it then.
Okay, we see a crack of an ass. I'm gonna have to blank that out.
Oh, you're good. That doesn't violate your two policy yet. That's good.
It's gotta happen. It's gotta happen. Are you coming this way?
Okay, Steven, what are you doing?
Walking.
Walking across on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's not mad on the bottom. That's a cross.
And he's going.
Yeah, he is. He's gonna choke himself on that thing.
You're crazy. Looking at the lung of a shark.
Now walk back this way.
That's debatable.
Breathe first. Not
Big sharks.
Yes.
Kevin, I kept slipping on the curves. I know. I did too. That's why I kept dropping it. Oh my God.
God. Jeez. Okay. Okay. No, he tried it already. It's good. You're too far away.
Zach, the idea is not to let anybody drown.
I'm not a lifeguard.
Okay, now Zach. Can Zach do it? Does he have the balls?
Zach can just tread water with it. Zach's a big guy, Rick.
I know. Yay! Now can he walk?
I want to walk with it.
Why not?
Okay, I'll try.
Okay, I'll try. Come on, YouTube's watching. They're gonna know you and say,
Oh, they're gonna know I suck ass.
Suck what? You heard me? Rick, why didn't you tell me?
I didn't know.
You better not make it farther than me.
He did. He didn't. He was gonna be pissed if you made it farther than him, so it's a good thing you dropped it. Steven has the record right now.
Get Rex something.
Huh?
What?
You have the record right now.
I just can't do it. I just can't tread water with it. Oh, I'm blocking Steven. I didn't try to kill you. I didn't mean to. It's just to get this.
Exactly what a murderer was. I wasn't trying.
You should have tried.
gotta be able to save you. I forgot my lifeguard duties. Alright. God, Kevin.
No.
Pull me away from saving your brother. Oh, let's see. Kevin, tread water. Gotta do that first.
Are you gonna try again?
Yeah.
Whoops.
I don't know how Steven does it.
Damn.
Someone bring it to me. I'm gonna try again.
Bring it to me.
So I don't lose all my breath trying to get it up. Don't take that in wrong context.
Well, at least Steven can get it.
Yeah.
Steven's our golden retriever.
Steven's better at getting it up than we both are.
I thought you had it.
No, you were still like a foot below me. Oh, Kevin got this thing.
What?
Another fail.
Whoa.
Got it. You do.
You okay, Steven?
Try again. Don't do that.
Freaking 30-pound rock. That's a fourth of my weight. Dang it!
Damn, he made it further than you did.
Shut up! Bring it back to me.
Give it back to me.
Bring it to me.
Give it back to me. Yeah, I left the AC on, by the way.
Might as well. We'll try it when we get back.
Right.
We never they could have just left, so... Was it blowing cold, or did you
No.
feel a vent? No?
No, it's hot in there, dude. Way hot.
I walked there and I swam it back.
It's almost like the heater's on. I didn't check. Maybe they switched it to heat.
Oh, on accident? That would be hilarious.
That would suck.
Farther than you, Kevin.
That would suck.
Look at that butt. Don't you dare, Kevin.
Where's he going? Where are you going?
I probably would have got farther if I wasn't walking down.
Oh, that's one thing I didn't get.
Time?
Right. Timepiece. Oh!
Squirt you.
Huh?
Squirt you.
No squirting me.
Too late. Kevin dying? It's good.
Just slipped out of my hand.
You didn't get it? Nope. Still down
I
there.
had it all the way up, but then it slipped.
See, Kevin, you're better than me. You gotta walk to that place, pull up and swing it back.